Hello everyone, my name is Anish Nair and I've been studying in Vedas Academy for the past 4 months. Firstly, I'd like to congratulate all of those who have passed the 10th exam. I'm sure you did well. Now, many of you would be in a chaos to choose which class you must join to prepare for your JEE exams. But as a student myself, I'd like to give you an advice that no matter in how much hurry or chaos you are, please make your decision wisely because your future depends on this decision. Choosing a good institute is a very vital decision as no matter how good a student is, he is not good enough until they have a good guidance. So, now many of you must be thinking that there are so many students who must have joined 2 years ago and are already preparing in the pre-foundation batch. There's a possibility that some classes might even scare you on this fact and try to get more fees from you. But I'd like to warn you that please don't get into all this. No matter how, but that's not something you should worry about because if you give your full efforts and hard work, you will surely achieve your target. As a student of Vedas Academy, I'd like to assure you that our teachers here at Vedas are the best way to provide you guidance and I've been preparing for the JEE exam for almost more than 2 years, and as a student of Vedas Academy, I can assure you that our teachers here at Vedas are the best way to provide you guidance. And if you give your dedication and efforts, they'll surely help you reach your targets.
Hi everyone, I'm Dipti, so I'm his mother. So first of all, many congratulations to all the children who have secured good marks in the board exams this year. So many congratulations to the parents also for having contributed to the success that your boards have gained today. Now I know, going ahead, the next thinking that you would have is what do we do next from here? How do I give the best education for my child going ahead? Looking at the career aspirations that they have. So I think one of the things that you would like to do is put them under a good coaching and guidance. Put them under good instructors, mentors that you would like. So it's kind of a scenario where most of the parents are always confused. I myself was really confused going around many places trying to search the best class or the best institute for my son. Now, what just as a guidance, because I have gone through all this, I just wanted to share my experience and maybe that's going to help you. So one of the things that I have realized with for my son, at least for whatever he has done over the last 2 years, I really feel that you should look for a coaching institute where you get the best attention for your ward. So most of the times, what we really do is we go ahead and look for classes and coaching institutes which are like big names. You see big banners. You try and check with your friends or your relatives, asking which are the best ones, and you may hear some big names there. But I would really suggest that you think about it. Names are not really the things that we want for our children. What we really want is good mentors, good teachers who can really guide them well. They need to get the best attention. They need to get the focused attention from their coaches. So that is where you should look for a coaching institute. Look at the I personally feel the batch size should not be more than 30 students in a batch, and that would mean that your child gets the quality education. So we should look for coaches and institutes where they really get to explore their best. They really are able to solve their doubts or queries very openly with their teachers. What usually happen is in a batch of say 60 size class and all, it becomes really difficult for the child also to kind of adjust and get the right level of coaching. So my so what I would like to really give as a guidance here is go for something which is really your child is going to be comfortable with. Don't go with the big banners or anything like that, but go for something where you feel your child will be in a comfort zone. So that's a small piece of advice if you would like. Thank you very much.
So just to conclude, I'd like to say that I'm glad for the kind of coaching I'm getting at Vedas Academy, and I believe that anyone who joins Vedas will surely attain success, because that's what their motto is. Education is the path to satisfaction and success. Thank you.